Fried rice. What's the best? Well, who knows? Depends on who you are. Do you like making it home? Do you like your favorite takeout place? Or do you like the frozen variety? Well, the results might be very shocking. Today we're going to test fried rice. We got homemade, frozen, and we're going to get some from our favorite Chinese takeout. Hey, it's going to be some pretty good groceries. Let's get started. So let's talk about homemade for right now. Homemade, a little bit of a process, but not too much. Let's talk about fried rice, frozen fried rice, chicken fried rice. We're doing chicken fried rice. And I thought, let's do some P.F. Chang's frozen chicken fried rice as an option. So why not, right? There's some other fried rices. If you like other frozen fried rices, let me know what you use. I'd love to do like a frozen fried rice challenge. But this is our frozen variety. And basically we heat a large non-stick skillet, add a little bit of oil, cover, cook 40 minutes. That's it. There's no sauce, there's no nothing like that. It's pretty easy. Now, let's do our homemade variety. And it has just a few ingredients, not many. I got some peas and carrots, like Jenny likes. All right, the rice. How do I make the rice? What kind of rice do you use? The kind of rice I use is jasmine rice. I think that's the best rice for fried rice. How do you make it? Very easy. I use a rice cooker. I do like 2 cups of jasmine rice. I put that in the rice cooker, put some water in there. Sometimes I'll wash it, sometimes I won't. I haven't really found out it makes much difference. But if you want to, go right ahead. Let's talk about measurements. 1-to-1 ratio, or maybe just a smidge over. 1 cup of rice, 1 cup of water. 2 cups of rice, 2 cups of water. And if you want just a little bit more, go right ahead. If you want to, you can use the knuckle trick. Just put your finger down into the water, touches the rice, it should come up to that first crease where your knuckle is. After that, cut your rice cooker on. When it gets done, let it sit. Let it sit for a good while. Then I'll just turn it over and just fluff it up with a spoon. You don't want to go really delicate here. I'll put that onto a sheet pan and I'll put it in the fridge overnight until I need it for today. Whenever I do that, I'll put it in just a bag like this, and that's pretty much it. That's how I make the rice. I use a little chicken powder, put a little bit of flavor into it, but that is my kernels of rice. And they're all just kind of loose, they're dry. Now, sauce. Easy peasy sauce. I like to take just a little measuring tool, cup, soy sauce. Use whatever soy sauce you like. This happens to be Kinkomon, which is Japanese. If you want to use Chinese soy sauce, go right ahead. This just happens to be my favorite. Take some oyster sauce. This gives it a little bit of a funkiness. Also like to add, this is a little bit of sugar to my sauce. Also like to add this chicken bouillon. Highly recommend you get that. Gives it a good flavor. Last but not least, MSG. I go a little light on the MSG because the chicken bouillon has some in it as well. I'm gonna mix this up. I don't have any black pepper right now, but I like black pepper in mine. You wanna finish with a little bit of sesame oil. You can do that as well. But that's just all within preference. Just a little bit more soy sauce. You know, that's the good thing about doing things at home. You can make it however you like. You want to add a little bit of rice wine vinegar to this too, Shaoxing wine. All right, vegetables for what we make. Frozen peas and carrots, and I like to use some greens. Well, I actually like to use whites and greens. So a little red pepper is always good. So what I do for my green onions is I basically just cut the root end off. And I'll actually use these whites, and I'll go right up to where it starts getting kind of real green. And that's perfect. We use the greens for garnish later. I'll go ahead and do that to bring them all kind of close to each other, lop them off to go at a 45 degree. Shout out to my boy Jet Tila. Chicken. This was just some chicken that we meal prepped not long ago, and I just chopped it up into pieces. I'll show you. Just cut it out like that. If you want to do chicken thighs, go right ahead. You want to do chicken, ground chicken, that's great too. I think we can go over to the griddle. While I was doing this, I did pre-warm the griddle, low temperature. It's over here idling, so I want to do that. Let's go. I am going to put our frozen fried rice right here. So they put edamame in theirs. Couldn't really find edamame shelled like that, but that'll work. We got peas instead, but it does have egg. We got egg. It says put the cover over it and let it set for 4 minutes. I got a spatula for us right here. This is going to be our homemade fried rice. A little bit of oil, just a little bit. I like to take just our onions. We're going to move that around I'm gonna add a little bit of garlic. Heat we got on about a low to medium heat. We're not looking to get too crazy here. My peas got a little bit of frost on them. I'm gonna put just a little bit more oil down, and we're gonna throw our rice down. Woo, yeah, baby. Break this up. And we're just trying to break the kernels up of your rice. You ain't got to get too fancy. Eventually, when we stir fry everything kind of together, it'll come apart. We have our chicken. Put our chicken right there. Need to put a little bit of water on the peas and carrots. Be fine. We're gonna mix our chicken into our rice, and we're also gonna put our peas and carrots over into our rice as well. This is a good time to see if you got nice ratios. I think we do. A little bit more oil right there. This is where we're gonna take our egg, less the shell. There you go. Gotta have the eggs in here, y'all. Gotta have it. See, I think this has been about 4 minutes probably. Okay, I see what happened. They got like the seasoning is kind of frozen with the rice. It's not a very big package. Okay. Maybe we'll let that steam for just a little while longer. See where our rice is. I like to cook my rice. Some people will put their rice in there. I don't. And boom. That over into our rice. It's about time for our sauce. This is how I like to do my fried rice. Make a well right into the center. I'm gonna take our sauce and pour it right in the middle. What this does is it starts to thicken up. It starts reducing. Makes it really, really nice. You don't want to cook it too long, but just enough. And boom, there we go. Some of your rice is still, don't have any seasoning on it. Just add some more soy sauce. Some people likes a lot of soy sauce and some people don't. This is where you drizzle just a little bit of your oil in. This is sesame oil. That's non-toasted, by the way. I don't like the toasted. There we go. Fried rice. And we're just gonna put that right into our bowl. All right, let's finish up the frozen. The frozen, I feel like, could use some soy sauce. One thing I forgot to add to ours, a little bit of ginger. All right, let's let this go for another couple minutes, let that dry out, and this will be good. Take our plate. Very light, it's very light. All right, let's go give this a try. Well, now let's go in the house. We're living out of our basement. Kitchen's getting demolished. What not a better time to do this? We're gonna give this a try, we're gonna give this a try, and we're gonna give our favorite takeout Chinese chicken fried rice a try. Let's go. All right, so welcome everybody. This is the fried rice challenge. Are y'all ready? Hopefully the audio's good. We're just going through here. Now, wait a minute, here's the rules. All right, we got 3 cups, left, middle, right, okay? And I wanna see what's best. So one of them is Choose Express, which is one of our faves, right? Not yours, but it is ours. And Mason just likes that old mac and cheese right there, don't you there, bro? So, all right, what we're gonna do is we're gonna go with our left. Left first. I just want you to say what you think about it, okay? Not what you think it is. All right, I'm using a spoon. Here's my left, all right? Bon appetit. Not bad, not bad. I taste a little bit of garlic and ginger.
Yeah,
a little bit.
I can definitely taste some ginger.
Very floral. Now we're going to middle. I want to refresh my palate.
Oh, I need to refresh my palate? Okay.
I already did.
You did? I noticed.
All right. You're on middle? Okay.
All right, middle it is.
Middle it is? All right. Bon appetit. Cheers.
That was good.
There's more flavor bites on that one.
That
Kinda
was
rich.
flavorful.
Now, let's go to the right. Number 3. And let's go. Bottoms up.
That's my favorite.
That's your favorite?
That's good.
The chicken's good.
It's good. I like that one.
It's kind of like the middle one. It's very balanced. The first one was very like floral forward.
Mhm.
The sauce, you know. This has very good. I like the onion
This one has bigger piece of chicken. There's
Mhm.
onion in it?
a little bit.
I think I had an onion.
You might have liked it.
Well, all right. If you need to do another taste test to your middle, just make sure you didn't mix them up.
Oh, okay.
So-
So, middle one more time.
I am going to turn this around, and if you say Daddy's loses, I'm going to. I don't know. I'm just kidding. I want you to vote for what you think's best: left, middle, or right.
Right.
You like the right? Okay. What do you like?
Right.
I like the right.
She likes the right. What do you like?
The middle.
You like the middle.
Stop, Molly.
But.
But okay.
Left is definitely out
Left is
in
out.
comparison to the other two.
Okay. Okay.
So first place would be the right, second place would be the middle. But I really like the middle too.
The middle was good. I feel like the middle and the right was so close.
Mm-hmm. They are close.
I like the onion in the right, to
Me
be
too.
honest with you.
And I like the soy. I get like a soy sauce flavor a little bit more in the middle.
In the middle,
Mhm.
yeah, I did too. It's richer.
Yeah.
There's a lot more rich. So, okay, Marin, you like the right, but you also, you like the middle, but you
Yeah.
like the right too.
Yeah. This
Well,
one was good, but it's not as good as these two. But this one was the best.
All right.
I want to
So,
do the right one more time.
all right, everybody,
Or the middle.
what do we got? So the cups were left was the frozen, and nobody liked frozen as good as the others. The middle was yours truly.
Really?
It was, yes, ma'am. And I think me and Marin liked those. Mackenzie, she brought up a good point. If you notice, you remember whenever I put that well around, I poured the sauce in that and let that reduce. That's probably why there's a really, really soy forward. We let it reduce and it got nice, thick, and glorious. So I think it's really a toss-up, honestly. Choose Express, what we have here, they make great fried rice. I like it, especially in a pinch, and I don't feel like doing crap. But I say it's pretty good. Pretty good test. All right, well, that's all I got for you today. I appreciate you stopping in. Give us a test yourself. See what you think. Go with your homemade fried rice and go with like a takeout or a frozen. So there you have it. Appreciate you. Love you. And we're going to finish dinner. See you later, y'all. Y'all want to say anything? No? You don't want to say anything? No? Okay. The family's gone. Family out. Out. Oh, yeah. Get that bite, girl. The Andersons would even approve. See y'all. Let's go. Welcome to the jungle. We got fun and games. We got everything you want. Honey, you got the bang, you are very special girl. Never know when them Andersons might be coming by to eat some fried rice. You want to put it on the 45-degree bias. Be like, yeah, take that, Jeff. Jeff Rowe. That's right.
I have to get all the green stuff.
Don't want no green stuff? Okay.
I think it's good.
Not bad. Not bad.